They chose crime. A journalist spends weeks investigating a story. They find sources, they do the interviews, they check facts, they analyze documents. And, that work then is valuable to the readers. But it's also valuable to AI. An article or a library of articles helps train a model. It improves an AI answer. So here's the simple question. How does an AI company pay to use journalism legally at scale? Where's the button? Piracy starts to look like the easier option. Not because the AI companies cannot afford it, they can, but because it's a painful, tedious effort to do so. Anthropic is one of the most important AI companies in the world. They built Claude. They're one of the leading rivals to OpenAI's ChatGPT. But in 2005, a US federal court examined how Anthropic got hold of libraries of books used in building and training their AI models. And the judge found that Anthropic had downloaded millions of copyrighted books from pirated websites. There was no attribution, no payment, no bueno. Anthropic, an AI company worth billions, perhaps trillions now if they IPO, didn't just find the work useful, they found the pirate libraries useful. And they chose crime. Not because the books had no value, the books had enormous value. But they did so because the legal route was so much more difficult. Actually, they called it business slog. This is the danger facing journalism and publishing. Not that AI can't use original reporting. It can and should. But that no simple licensing or payment mechanism or system exists. And if it's allowed to continue, it'll continue to drive people away from the industry in huge numbers, which will have major negative consequences for both the industry and wider society.